friends, my name is Vraj Nandwana and today I am going to show you my AI project. So our AI project is AI Smart Attendance System. My teammates is I myself Raj Kumar Nandwana and my friend Bhargav Balodia. We are doing the project under the guidance of Nishit Kotak sir. We are from Department of ICT and we are from Marwadi University. So let us start our project. So first of all, what is AI Smart Attendance System? So the purpose of this project is to automate student attendance using AI and face recognition. The motivation behind it is it saves time and eliminate manual errors and increase reliability in the classroom. The key features are of group photo based attendance and multiple face recognition in one frame. So basically, attendance system, we are building the attendance system in which the faculty can take the attendance of the students even if they are not they don't have time, or if they have less time, then the class photos can be uploaded by them to our system, and our system will take not only the individual photo but also the photo in group, which will help the faculties to get the attendance, and the Excel sheet will be created and they can get the attendance. So let us move to the next part. Our problem statement, as we told, that traditional attendance system is time consuming and error prone, so manual marking is insufficient for large classes. So there is a need for an automated accurate solution. Project objective. Our main project objective is to automate the attendance marking using images in groups, like we can have 2-3 images of the whole classes, and the face recognition that we had built of smart attendance will take the attendance and provide Excel sheet in Excel sheet or PDF file, and we had built it using Streamlit, like we had we are trying to deploy it on web. So AI models and technique that we are going to use is of deep learning and face recognition. The key AI techniques that we have used for this subject and for this project is MTCNN, that is multitask cascaded convolutional neural network for face detection, that captures the faces accurately, and the FaceNet for face embeddings, and SVM Cosine Similarity for recognition. So next is our system architecture. We have built the data pipeline using data collection, then we have done the pre-processing of our data, model training, attendance marking, dataset. The modules are of dataset creation, model training, recognition and attendance, and web interface. First of all, what we will do, that in our system the student can get the face data. First we register students whenever they come new in college. So we take photo of them. The photo, there are 100 images taken of each student. Then we make the whole folder of our class, and then we train the model. Afterwards, the face detection algorithm is applied on it, and MTCNN FaceNet algorithm is applied of AI. Then the model is trained, and the embeddings of the faces are stored. Then we can upload the group images in our Streamlit UI, where we had deployed partially for now, and after after you upload that, the system will detect and recognize multiple faces in the uploaded image, and this will mark the attendance in our class, that how many students are present along with the timestamp and the enrollment numbers. So the next is implementation. We have fully functionally implemented our model, trained successfully, multi-students attendance from the images works. Partial deployments completed, Streamlit web application is done, and key features are multi-image upload, that is currently if any attendance system are there, if so there in that only the single students can take the attendance, not multi. So in this it's the good functionality that multiple students can upload from one image. Multiple students can be registered in attendance, and then we can get the excellent PDF attendance report. Afterwards, the challenges and limitations. The challenges and limitations are, first of all, during the initial deployment, our model training was greater, model delay was larger. So, and also we noticed the issue of students with spectacles. So that students with spectacles sometimes give errors. And for deployment, as we are using the free deploy version, so we can only get some amount of GPU and some amount of data to store and model to train on our web deploy application. So our scope for improvement is we can add the real-time camera support, we can improve handling of spectacles and cloud deployment with the GPU, as we said, with the help of AWS and other things, and dynamic student edition via UI. Like we can also add class-wise, and we can also get lecture-wise, etc. Real world deployment strategy includes deploy at classroom entry, then SaaS model for colleges and schools, mobile app integration. We will build app after this in Flutter or any other Android application, or which is useful for the faculties. They can get the attendance from anywhere, and also they can upload the attendance as fast as possible. And thank you. This was our presentation slide, and now we will go to the project implementation side. So Bhargav, can you please do the project
Yes,
implementation?
yes.
Let us see your project. I am changing your
Okay.
screen. So I guess the screen is visible.
So, can I, my screen is visible?
Yeah, your screen is visible.
So now we have a mainly one file. In this file, we have a mainly three different files to run this project. First is stream underscore f.pa. In this file, we have a mainly focus on the UI based that we can see in the UI to how to upload image, how to train image, how to download PDF file, etc. Next one is the attendance system data. In this file, mainly we have a focus on to the take attendance. So here we have a multiple function. First is a load phase that we have taken by student data. Next one is to when attendance is done, then we have to create one Excel file that we can see in this file. Next one is attendance from the image. We need to give image to take the attendance from the student.
Okay.
So we can give image from the student using this function, and one now we have also need to download one PDF file. So the PDF file is also generated in the train model, but this function is to how the Excel file is to be represent. In this we have a different time and
Yes, we have timestamps.
date. Yes. Also, in this file, we have a multiple name, environment number, and if student is present or no. Next one is train model. So, train model, when we use, when we train the model, they will create one train config YAM file to help to the take attendance. Next is to config of missing file path. If some path is missing or training is start, then this function is work. And load config. This will config and load register phase or non-register phase. If the some image are not tagged by properly, then print is no register phase found, or the we have a different data set that not load perfectly, then this function also work. So now we need to run this project. We can open CFD, and here we have one code to run streamlit underscore f.py. So this main we need to run main file. This file is called GUI file, and the file name is streamlit f.py. Also, we have a running localhost server, so we can give server address is a localhost server. Also, the server port we can I am defined specify 8501 port to run this project. So we can run this code in our CMD. So here you can see the URL, the localhost
Yeah, it is
8501.
locally deployed right now.
Yeah, it is locally deployed. Here you can see 8051. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to run and perfectly deploy the project in localhost. So we can wait. Also, we have a different all all face registered data
We have the
class
data set
here.
of our whole class of SEM6. Only 90% data
Same
set is there,
six.
right?
Yes, yes. So we can wait. So also when the attendance is done, then you can see here the attendance system, attendance file will be saved in the attendance folder, Excel sheet.
In this, the all the attendance locally will come.
Yes, yes, no comments. So you can see the project is successfully running localhost. If we have some other student data or new student data, then we need to train our model. So here you can train the model. So if I need to train model, then is time taken is duration is 20 to 25 minutes. So I can not do in the
Currently,
live demo.
due to our limitations on deployment over cloud, we can't take the live photo of our student from the this website, and so we have not added, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
not data.
So
But in if we
yes,
need
we
to
have to
take our
do this
student
when
data,
our students come new to college. Then all the data set can be stored, and afterwards we can train from here.
yes, you can train from here. That will be connected to our main directory.
Yeah, yeah.
And
So
next one is mark attendance. Here you can upload the class images that we can take by faculty
yeah,
to take the
we can
attendance.
also do two to
Here
three
we have-
images together, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
That's the main
Here
motto.
we have
In class, many people are there. We can take two to three images, and we can.
yes,
Uh,
we cannot cover up whole class in the one single image. So we can upload or take 2 to 3 images.
yeah,
So here I can give 3 image attendance and we need to click open. Here you can see 2 images is loaded successfully. In this first image, we can see one, two, three people face,
yeah,
4.jpg.
yeah.
In second image, we can see one, two, three, four, five students.
These
So
are all registered and uploaded data set of students name.
yes, yes, register and upload a student. Now we can here mark attendance. So this will be running to take the images. So here you can see the images registration are
Yes,
confirmed.
Bhargav Bhalodia
One
is there, Prashant, Kirtan, Aryan Langoda. Yes, all the accuracy is proper.
accuracy, yes. Here we can count the student one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 student total are there. Here you can see one, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah,
5, 6,
there is no
7.
problem. Even if 30 to 40 students are there and we have two to three images, we can directly,
Yes.
instantly get the result. First, we get the result in 44 seconds of this only 8, and now in less than 4 seconds we can have all the students, right?
Yes, and the main functionality is when one student is covered up into two image. So example here you can see this image.
Hmm.
Wait, I can see. So the one image you can see this person
Yeah, this
is
person is coming
here.
for the second time again.
Yes, second time. Then he can take only one time image
Okay,
at a
if
time.
one time his photo is captured in one image and then another image where his photo is there, it cannot come.
Yeah, it cannot come to multiple time
Yeah,
at one student. So here we can take attendance at 14 date 829
yeah,
2 days date. So now we need to download first here we can see the Excel sheet is generated.
Hmm.
Like here we can need to download attendance or PDF. Here we can select the 14/5 date attendance.
Yes, yes, right.
Here we can thus faculties take multiple date or multiple time the attendance. Then here you can see the multiple different file name that we can create it. So today's is a 14/5. Now we need to select download the PDF.
This will download the PDF locally as we are doing on the local host. That's why.
Yes. So here you can see the attendance PDF is successfully downloaded. So in this attendance file, we can see the 86%. One person come two times, then it will be take only one time.
Hmm.
Also, we can see the time 8:26:60. Here time is 8:30. It 2 minutes.
The time we had uploaded the image at that time only we get the attendance. So
Yes, that time
time
we
consuming thing
can
is not
see.
there.
Yes. If we upload the image at 2 hour ago, 2 hour before, then it time is that time when we upload the image.
In future, if we want to deploy this fully, what we can do to enhance?
So if we need to deploy our project, then we need to first limitation is to main we have a free tier application. So
Okay.
the free tier application give only 1 GB space. But this project need to deploy or download multiple model, then we need to our total requirement space is 6 to 8 GB. So first requirement is that. Baki, otherwise, if we need to deploy this whole project, then we can easily deploy uploading cloud like AWS. I have tried in AWS, that's successfully run. But when we give our data, then model train requirement space is larger.
Okay. So this was our
Yes.
project, I guess. This was the success of our project that we had decided in this semester. And so we thank you for getting to know our project. And I hope that we make the best of our project in the future also. Right, Bhargav?
Yes, yes, we can definitely make that. Then we can try to develop a live application that will be help to all faculty members to take
All
attendance.
faculty as well as for all the different classes. Like we can do the database management also.
Yes, if we one faculty take a multiple classes at a different time, then we faculty also can give class name, class time, each department, each semesters, which subject also give different specific to understand the attendance,
Right.
each class attendance.
Okay, that's all right. Thank you for watching the project, and we hope that we make the best use of technology and AI to solve real life challenges.